Hi, my name is Prachi Nagpal and I am your Miss Grand India 2022. I am a Telangana Bidda and I want everybody to support me. So thank you for being here and please keep supporting me while I represent not just India but mainly all of the Hyderabad and Telangana people internationally now at Miss Grand International 2022. Thank you.
So what is Miss Grand International basically all about?
So, Miss Grand International is a pageant which is one of the biggest pageants in the world today, and what they promote is to stop war and violence. Like how today we have so much war going on, for example, the Ukraine war. The main purpose of this pageant is to help have advocacies and to have people to stop this war and to bring peace to the world.
So you have been trying from 7 years. So how was your
Yes.
journey process?
So the last 7 years have been extremely tough for me because I have auditioned many times for Miss India, for Glam Anand, and for many other pageants as well. But one thing I have learned over the last 7 years is that if you keep working on yourself, if you keep taking the feedback that people are giving you, then you can always move forward by evolving yourself as a person, and eventually, like me, you will make it.
So how was your support from your family and friends?
So I think my family and my friends have been the biggest reason why I am here today, be it my parents, my uncles, my aunts, my cousins, everybody and my friends are the reason because they believe that okay, if she keeps working on herself, if she is believing in herself so much, then even they would want to believe in me. So without them, I think I wouldn't be here, and if they wouldn't be the reason why, they would not tell me that okay, don't do it, leave it, it's okay, go back to college. So this is the reason why I'm here today.
So what was the major challenge that you have been faced from all these days?
I think in the journey that we had, even when I was at the pageant the last 15 days, one thing that was really important for me was that I didn't want to give up. There were bad days, there were days when I thought, oh, this girl might be better than me. But then the idea that, okay, I've done this for so long, these girls have just come into the industry right now. I knew how the industry works. So I know that if you fake it, you will not make it. But if you just be yourself, and I was just being myself, if I had to be emotional, I was emotional. That was the idea, and that was the main challenge to just be yourself on even the bad days.
So you know Telugu, right?
मुझे सिर्फ समझ आती है मैं बोल नहीं सकती.
Okay then.
So the final is going to be on 25th of October in Indonesia, and I will be representing Hyderabad, Telangana, India mainly, and I hope that when I am over there, like I said in my final answer, that I hope that all the 1.4 billion people of my country, my homeland, are with me that day, so that even if it's not going to be my day, but I hope it is my day and our India's day, that I know that everybody back home still loves me, is still proud of me, and I will make sure that I give my best. Thank you.